Milo and the Shaky Tower, a story about building, written by Young Learners Curriculum, Level Pre-A1. Milo is a monkey. He wants to build a tall tower. He takes some bananas. I want to win, says Milo. He puts one banana on top of another. The tower shakes. It falls down. Crash! Bananas go everywhere. Milo feels sad. Lulu the lemur comes. She gives Milo a banana. Try again, she says. Start with a big base. Milo smiles. Okay. Milo and Lulu build together. They work slow. They look at every banana. The tower grows tall. It does not fall. Milo puts a leaf on top. He moves very slowly. The tower stays strong. Everyone claps. Milo says, "Thank you, Lulu." Now Milo builds every day. He uses fruit and books. He teaches his friends. Plan, build, and try again. Milo is happy. He loves to build.